Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 4 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HUAWEI Health application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once the application opens, tap on the devices icon and select your HUAWEI Watch 4 Pro from the list of devices. On this page, find the watch faces category and tap on the more option. If you don't see the watch faces category, it could be because when you installed the HUAWEI Health application for the first time, you selected a region that doesn't support this feature. So you could try reinstalling the app, selecting a different region. For example, I'm using United Kingdom, and that hopefully will fix your problems. So tap on more. After a couple of seconds, the App Store, or maybe not App Store, but watch face store will open. As you can see here, we have different watch faces we can pay for and download. I'm gonna scroll up and tap on the free category. And here we have the list of free watch faces. So find the watch face you would like to use, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it. And here we have the info about the watch face, also recommendations. And if you want to install it, tap on the install button and wait until it's done installing. After it's done installing, it's gonna be applied on your watch. Of course, you can download multiple ones if you want to. For example, let's download this one. So you can also tap on the install button under the watch face. You don't need to tap on it. And once this one is done installing, it's gonna be applied. And after that, I'm gonna show you something else. So let's wait. And here we have it. Okay, and once you're done installing the watch faces, you can also check the list of watch faces you installed by going back to the watch face store, tapping on mine, and here you have the list on called on watch, and here we have the list of watch faces installed on your watch. And if you want to check which ones you installed, you can tap on installation manager right here. Oh, not manager. Give me a second. It was download history, my bad. So you can tap on download history, and here you can check the info, which watch faces were downloaded on your watch. And if you want to remove some of the watch faces, you can scroll down right here in the mine category, tap on edit, find the watch face you want to remove, tap on the X button, then tap on OK to confirm. And it should be removed from your watch. And then you can tap on the check mark to confirm. Okay, and that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.